Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. In this video, we are going to solve a set based on binary logic. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the question. The question says that four friends, namely Dinesh, Jatin, Prakash and Vivek, each of whom has a different colored car from among red, blue, green and yellow, not necessarily in the same order, belong to three categories of person, at least one from each category: truth teller, alternator, and liar. A truth teller always speaks the truth, an alternator makes a true statement followed by a false one, or vice versa, and a liar always speaks a lie. It is known that out of four, two are alternators. When these four persons are inquired regarding the colors of their car, each of them made two statements, the details of which are as follows. Okay, so we have been given four persons, all of whom they make two statements each. Okay, so what we do in these type of cases is that we assume for every person to be a truth teller at least once, and then we make cases accordingly. Okay, so first we'll write the names of all the person. So we have Prakash, we have Vivek, we have Dinesh, and we have Jatin. Okay, so we have to make cases. So let's divide a page. Okay, I guess this must be enough. So the first case is when we take Prakash as the truth teller. Okay, when Prakash is a truth teller, definitely Dinesh becomes a liar. Dinesh's second statement becomes false because he says Jatin is a truth teller. Okay. Now after that we get divided into two cases. The first case in which Dinesh is a liar, and the second case in which he is a alternator. Okay, that is his first statement becomes true. Okay. So when his first statement becomes true, then Vivek gets yellow colored car. Okay. So Vivek now has a yellow color car. Now when Vivek has a yellow color car, so Vivek says that the yellow colored car is neither Jatin's nor mine. So he's saying a false. He's saying false. Okay. His second statement is false. Talking about the first statement, the color of my car is neither red nor blue. He's saying the truth. Okay. So if we have now two alternators, we have a truth teller. So definitely Jatin would be a liar. Okay. So his both the statement would be false. Okay. So he says the color of my car is yellow. Definitely we know it is false. And he says that the color of Dinesh car is not green. And it is a false statement. So we can say that the color of Dinesh car is green. Okay. Now if Dinesh gets green colored car, then Prakash has to have red colored car. And then Jatin gets a blue colored car. There is no problem with this case. So this case is the correct case. Okay. Now let's come to the first case in the first column. What do we have? We have Dinesh as the liar. Okay, when Dinesh is the liar, then again we will get two cases. The first in which Jatin's second statement is true, and one in which Jatin's second statement is false. Okay, so if his second statement is true, then first will be false, and if his second statement is false, his first statement would be true. Others stand similarly on the same ground, false and false. Okay, so now what do we have? Let's see. Okay, coming to the case in which the first one is false, Jatin's first statement is false. He says that the yellow color car is not mine. Okay, so Jatin cannot get the yellow color car. Now talking about Vivek, he says, okay, Prakash cannot have a yellow color car. We know that because he is a truth teller. Okay, he is a truth teller. And Dinesh says that the color of Vivek's car is yellow, so he is also a liar. So Vivek also cannot get the yellow color card. So the yellow color car is only possible with Dinesh. Okay, so Dinesh will get the yellow color car, and then P will get the red color car. Okay, P gets the red color car. Now from this we can say that V gets uh, V's second statement will become true because he said the yellow colored car is neither Jatin's nor mine. So his second statement becomes true. So his first statement becomes false. Okay. So what is the first statement? He says that the color of my car is neither red nor blue, which is a false statement. So he will get a blue color car, and then Jatin will get a green color car. Okay. I guess there is no problem with this case. Yeah, no one is contradicting anyone, so this case is also correct. Now coming to the third case in which Jatin's second statement is false. Okay, now when Jatin's second statement is false and first is true, then D gets the green color car. Why? Because we know that we have already discussed. He says that the color of Dinesh car is green, and he's saying is not green, and he's saying a false statement. So that means Dinesh has a green color car. Okay, and if Dinesh has a green color car, then P definitely gets red color car. Okay, so this is what we have as of now. Now coming to V, V gets his second statement false. Okay, because we know that either of Jatin or Vivek himself has to have a yellow colored car, because he says that the yellow colored car is neither Jatin's nor mine. Okay, so he is saying a So he's saying a false statement, okay, because either one of them have to get a yellow colored car. So if his second statement is false, his first statement becomes true, that the color of my car is neither red nor blue. Okay. So blue color car goes to him and yellow color car goes to him. Okay. Now, do we have any contradictions? Okay, yes, we have the contradictions because Jatin says the color of my car is yellow, but we are getting his color as blue. So this case is not a possible case. Okay. So we'll remove this case. So I guess we have made all the cases in which Prakash can be the truth teller. Okay. Now let's make Vivek the truth teller. So now Vivek is the truth teller. Okay. When Vivek is the truth teller, V gets green color. Okay. V gets sorry. Vivek gets the green color. Why? Because the yellow colored car is neither Jatin nor mine, so he will not get a yellow colored car. And he also says that the color of my car is neither red nor blue. Okay, so he will definitely get a green color car. Now when he has the green color car, let's see what do we have now. Okay, now Dinesh second statement becomes false and the first one also becomes false. Okay, because Jatin is a truth teller, Jatin is not a truth teller. The color of Vivek's car is yellow. So in every case, whenever Vivek will be the truth teller, Dinesh will be the liar. Okay, let's remove these lines from here now. Okay, so we know that he is a liar. Again, now what do we have? Again, we will get two cases. The first case in which P's first statement is false and second statement is true. Okay, P's first statement is false and second statement is true. And one case in which the second statement is false and the first statement is true. Okay, others remain the same. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Now, what can we do? Okay, so in the case when P's first statement is true, okay, second statement is false, then J gets red color. Okay, I hope you understand why does he get the red color? Because Prakash's first statement that the red colored car is either Dinesh or mine becomes false. That means they do not have a red color car. We cannot get a red color car, so J will definitely get a red color car. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now if J has got the red color car and P's first statement is going to be true, so he will get the blue color car. When he gets the blue color car, then Dinesh gets the yellow color car. When Dinesh gets the yellow color car, then Jatin's first statement becomes false because he says the color of my car is yellow. And his second statement that the color of Dinesh car is not green becomes true. So this statement is also satisfied. Now, okay, now we have one case here. Now coming to this case, let's see what do we have here. Okay, in case when P's first statement is false and second statement is true. Okay, what can we say? Okay, we can definitely say that he cannot get the red color car. Okay, because the color of my car is either red or blue. He is saying a false statement. That means he cannot get either red or blue color car. Okay, so what will he get? He will get a yellow color car. Okay, and his second statement is true. Okay, so that means the red color card is either Dinesh or mine. He cannot get it, so Dinesh will get the red color car and Jatin will get the blue color car. Okay, now let's see for Jatin what are the cases. The color of my car is yellow, which is a false statement. The color of Dinesh car is not green, which is a true statement. So I think this condition case follows. Let's check all the possibilities. Okay, I guess all the cases are satisfied. So yes, this is a perfect case. So we have made all the cases for Vivek to be the truth teller. So Prakash has been a truth teller, Vivek has been a truth teller. Let's come to Dinesh. Let's put Dinesh as a truth teller. So Dinesh's second statement says that Jatin is a truth teller. So which is in itself a contradictory statement. So we can definitely say that Dinesh can never be a truth teller. Okay, so we are very much sure that Dinesh can never become a truth teller. So we'll cancel out Dinesh as a truth teller. Now what do we have? We have Jatin as the truth teller left. So we'll take Jatin as the truth teller now. Okay, so when Jatin is a truth teller, so what happens is the color of my car is yellow. Okay, so he will get the yellow color car. Okay. Now what are the cases possible? The cases possible are that D gets his second statement as true. Okay, because Jatin is a truth teller. So Dinesh gets his second statement as true and first statement will become false that the color of my car is yellow. Okay, so Dinesh can never be the liar in this case whenever Jatin is a truth teller. Okay, now let's see what do we have. Okay, Vivek says that the yellow colored car is neither Jatin's nor mine, but we know that the yellow colored car is of Jatin. So Vivek's second statement becomes a false statement. Okay, so when his second statement becomes a false statement, let's talk about the first statement. Vivek says that the color of my car is neither red nor blue. Okay, we do not know anything about it as of now. So we get two cases now again. Okay, we cannot directly determine anything, so we'll make one more case for that, where Jatin is a truth teller. He has got his first statement false and second statement true. He has got his second statement false. So what will he get is his first statement will become false, and in one case his first statement will become true. Okay. So now let's see what do we have here. Okay. So when B gets his first statement as true, okay, so we talk about this case first. When B gets his first statement true, which means he does not have a red color car or a blue color car, okay, and we know that the yellow color car has been taken by Jatin already. So what will he get? He will get a green color car, okay, he will get a green color car. Now P's second statement will become true, that the red color car is either Dinesh or mine. Okay, when his second statement becomes true, so he has a true statement, he has a true statement, he has a true statement, and he has both the statement true. So we cannot get a liar in this case. Okay, so this case is not a possible one. Okay, so we'll remove this case from here. Okay, let's remove it. Now what do we have? So we have one case now where Vivek is the liar. So in whenever Jatin will be the truth teller, Vivek will be the liar, that is for sure. Now we have to check what are the cases can we do we get. Okay, so Vivek says that the color of my car is neither red nor blue, which is a false statement. That means Vivek will get a red or blue color car. He also says the yellow color car is neither Jatin's nor mine, which is a false statement. We know that. Okay, okay. So the color of Vivek's car is yellow, and that is a false statement. We know that. So Vivek cannot get a yellow colored car, okay, and he cannot get. Let's see what can't he get. Okay, let's talk about Prakash. Talking about Prakash, he says that the red colored car is either Dinesh or mine, okay, which is probably true. We can, let's say we have to take his first statement to be true and first statement to be false. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. He has both his statements false, false and true, and true and true. Okay, and he has a yellow color. Okay, so his first statement, let's say, is true. The red color car is either Dinesh or mine. So Dinesh will get a red color car or he will get a red color car, and the color of my car is either red or blue. Okay, we have a liar, so Prakash has to be an alternator. Okay, so his first statement would become false, and in this case, his first statement would become true. Okay, so Prakash says that the color of my car is either red or blue. So if we give him the red color car, okay, then the red color car is either Dinesh or mine. This statement also becomes true, but we know this statement has to be a false statement. Okay, so we cannot give him red color car. So let's give him blue color car. Okay, so the color of my car is either red or blue, which is a true statement because he gets blue. The red color car is either Dinesh or mine. Okay, and we have to make that statement false. So we will give the red color car to Vivek. Okay, and then we have green color car with him. Okay, but Jatin has said the color of Dinesh car is not green, and his statement is true. So he cannot get green. So this case is not possible. Okay, so let's remove this case, and again we have only one case, final case left. Let's check it out if this is a feasible case or not. Okay, so now what do we have? His Prakash's first statement is false, that the color of my car is either red or blue. So we can definitely say that he does not have a red or blue color car, and he cannot have a yellow color car because Jatin already has that. So he will have a green color car. Okay, and his second statement will become true, that is the red color car is either Dinesh or mine. He cannot get the red color car, so Dinesh will get the red color car and Vivek will get the blue color car. Now this is a satisfactory case. None of the conditions are contradictory, so we can definitely say that our set is complete. We have checked for all the conditions, we have made all the cases. A total of 5 cases are made. I hope you have understood how to do the question. Whenever a questions of binary logic come, you put all of them one by one as a truth teller, and then you make cases accordingly. Thanks for watching the video, guys.